When selecting the base design of your hair system, you need to have a very clear idea of what your needs and priorities are concerning the custom hairpiece you're getting. In other words, the things that you expect the system to ideally achieve are mostly what to be taken into consideration for you. For example, some people really give very much importance to whether the hair system feels very breathable and also looks realistic. So a full lace system base tends to be their option since the woven lace material is extremely ventilative and sweat resistant as well as indiscernible. For comparison, system bases that come with a thin skin and PU perimeter are widely favored by those who are mindful of how easy and convenient it is to attach and clean the system. Because compared to woven lace or mono materials, a skin base is less vulnerable to corrosion caused by glue. For the hair system wearers who puts stress on the durability and lifespan, there would not be a better option than bases consisting of mono, such as fine mono, fine welded mono, and super fine mono, in consideration of the fact that the woven mono material is remarkably strong and solid, aside from being breathable. Moreover, we have a special type of base design called S16, made up of an integration base surrounded by thin skin perimeter. This one only works if you have a certain amount of existing hair that is to be pulled through the integration base to blend with the hair of the system before presenting a full hair look. Okay, so that's pretty much a brief summary of the things we need to know relating to the base designs. Thanks for watching and see you soon.